I was thinking I was going to get on him today, but there's nobody else at the ranch, and we don't do that without somebody else around. So he's short enough I can get on him. But he's doing so well, and I'm so proud of him. Okay, I want you to come left. We're going to wander around and head back home, and at the same time, we have a camera on my head that is going. So, what a good boy. Getting this in stereo. Hope you guys are having a great day. We sure are. What a good boy. Hello, Smokey. We used to be able to go through those ditches fairly easily. They've graded the road, and now they're not quite so easy anymore. Buster absolutely, he's like his mom, he absolutely loves that indoor arena. But last time I was in there, there was enough stuff scattered around that I don't think I can take him in there today. In harness. In hand, yes, but not in harness. Buster, whoa. What a good boy. No fussing. Whoa. Walk on. Yes, that's new stuff, isn't it? Trust me. Good boy. Okay, I want you to come around. What a good boy. That was a very nice figure 8. Yes. This one was going to be a 6-foot door, but it turned out it would have to be a double door. And with the winds around here, we figured it would last maybe 2 or 3 months before it broke down. So instead, we chose to go with another 4-foot door instead. I was thinking a 6-foot door would be nice because I could drive horses through it, but not No, it's okay. It's just the barn making noise. Let's see what we can do here. There's a little area there where we can make a circle. What do you think of this, Buster? Okay, you have to come clear around. Clear around. Yep, we want to miss all that stuff. Yep, we don't want to hit the concrete pad. What a good boy. Hello, Big Tippy. He says, I found a good spot. It's not too windy right here. It's in the sunshine, and I'm enjoying it. Hello, Spirit and Raven. And back in the back there is his mama, Dunny. And straight ahead of me is Cheyenne, one of our quarter horse mares that produces great big Gruyere and black babies, and one buckskin or dunskin or whatever color he's going to end up being. And let's walk on up into the barn. I'll grab your halter from out here. What a good boy. Whoa. What a champ. What a champ. Very proud of this horse. He is very, very like his sisters that we've had. And I would appreciate it if you didn't move so that you don't smash my phone that I dropped. Yep. Quit. 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 Good boy. And that's our drive.